in Japan, and today we're going to
Fujiyama.
Fujiyama. See? Fujisan. You know what Fujisan is?
No.
Mountain. We call it Fujisan. Stop. So kita nak siap. Kita hari ni sewa kereta yang macam besar sikit lah, yang fit untuk 7. Yeah, lebih kurang. It's Toyota Sienta. The Roadtrip. Pergi?
Fujiyama.
Yes. Hari ni I'm gonna start with my favorite ever serum.
Kaki I dah rosak dah.
Dah rosak. Malam kita jalan jauh sikit.
8 hours.
Around that, like, kita keluar pagi, balik malam. Anissa kat sini murah sangat. Ratio 160, 150. Kat sini 50 je. Okay.
Malaysia RM150.
Okay. View. Murah-murah. Okay, kita fast forward. Okay. Okay. Dah siap. Kita nak kemas barang sebelum bertolak. Okay, sekarang ni kita nak tunggu nak ambil kereta sewa dekat Times Square. Lepas tu kita nak road trip pergi area Fuji Kawaguchiko. Book Airbnb for this 3 nights. Dekat je nasib baik. Times Square ni dengan hotel macam 5 minute walk je. I booked kereta sewa ni 2 months before the trip via Klook. The price is a lot cheaper than the other car rental company that I surveyed. In Haneda, you can choose between 2 locations, Haneda Airport or this location that I choose, which is at Otaku. If you will be using the expressway, they also can provide you with the ETC card, the electronic toll collection. It is a system which is used to record expressway automatically, and you just need to settle the bill when you return the car. Kita book Sienta sebenarnya, tapi dapat free. So okay lah, best. The reason why we decided to rent a car because it is more convenient when traveling with kids. The journey from Tokyo to Kawaguchiko takes around 2 hours, and expressway in Japan has a lot of great mountain views and you'll never get bored. We arrived in Fuji Kawaguchiko within the traffic and went straight to our Airbnb for check-in. Kita nak kunci dah. Okay, tak apa. Assalamualaikum.
Masih.
Please take off. Buka lampu ke? Oh, tu lampu tu kat situ. Okay. Wow. Buka satu-satu. Oh, ni toilet dia. Buka lampu.
Toilet tu.
Macam mana buka? Oh, macam ni dia punya Swiss. Cantik. Please push and turn. Dia kata. Wow, tengok. Cantik.
Here now.
Apa?
Help
ni
me.
toilet.
Yeah.
Oh, ni bilik.
Ni sekali bilik solat.
Wah. Oi, sejuk. Wow. This Airbnb has 2.5 floors. It is a traditional Japanese house but with a modern twist. I really love this house so much. The kids love it too. It has a killer view of Lake Kawaguchiko and mountains. I wish it also has Mount Fuji view, but sadly no. You need to walk down the hill to the lake and you will be able to see the Mount Fuji from there. Kita solat siap-siap sebab kita nak keluar. Solat with the view hari ni. kita nak pergi mana ya hari ni? Kita nak pergi visit Masjid Kawaguchiko. Kita nak tengok ada apa kat situ. Sambung It's Fuji-san!